them in?
Who?
Chickens.
Definitely not.
Sorry.
Okay, go get me one tomato plant
Where are they?
in the basement.
Those ones.
This
Can I just bring out the whole box?
definitely not. We don't want to kill them all. I don't want the biggest one. I probably want a medium one. Alright, on this one, we're going to finish the loop so that there's no spaces. On this one, it's a bigger tomato. I gave it a square instead of a triangle, and I put the jugs on the inside. And then I need to find some cloth to cover them with. There we go. Milk jug, wall of waters. In my other video where I was showing how I used these panels to make garden fences that are duck and chicken proof, someone did the math on it. It's about $1.50 a square foot for these squares. And yes, that's pricey. I cringe every time I buy them. And the minute I buy them, I find that all of my gardening chores and dilemmas become solved. And so even though they're expensive, I find that my projects get done faster and with more of a sense of fun than dread. So even though I'm a very, very frugal person, I buy these squares. I buy a lot of them. I will have them in the link in the description. Alright, that's what it's going to look like for the next couple days while they get used to being out here. They need shelter from the sun for a few days, and then after that they need covered at night, uncovered during the day with plenty of venting. Because tomatoes don't love it above 85 degrees Fahrenheit. I know they're a hot weather crop, but they grow best at about 85 degrees. Somewhere between 75 and 85. Hey guys, so today is April 27th or 28th, and it's not as cold today as it could be. We're in the 50s, and hopefully it rains. We're hoping for rain. I'm here in my greenhouse. This is the hotbed, but if you've noticed, I have really wide pathways around the hotbed that would be wasted space if I didn't have anything in them. Now, zucchini and strawberries and tomatoes and cucumbers, they don't like hotbeds. They want more open air, more oxygen. They don't like to be cramped in a hotbed. Most everything else does just fine in a hotbed, but not those things. So I'm going to show you today a few different options for creating protection for your tomatoes even when it's 50 degrees during the day and in the 20s or 30s Fahrenheit at night. Now, the first thing I want to show you is a wall of water. It has these cells in it that you fill with water, and it gives frost protection to whatever you put in it. And generally you fit this over like a tomato cage or something for structure. The problem with this is that because it's made out of thin plastic, it's easy to puncture. What you can do is you can actually get these cells. You can cut good cells out of a bad wall of water and take those cells and stuff them down inside the cells of one that's mostly good, so you can repair them. But it's almost $20 for 3 of these now. It used to be $7 for 3 of them. Now it's almost $20. So I wanted to show you a more rugged, more inexpensive, so better way to put that is a more rugged, less expensive way to do this, something that you can use year after year after year. So that's what we're going to do today.